Kenya is setting aside 10,000 acres of land to establish industrial parks along the entire length of the Standard Guage Railway from Mombasa to Malaba. Industry Principal Secretary Dr. Juma Mukhwana says government land that is available in places like Mariakani, Athi River, Eldoret and Bungoma will be used to invite investors to establish the parks in a build, operate, transfer model.
According to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics 2025 Economic Survey, the manufacturing sector has also impacted Kenya's economic performance in 2024, which grew by only 2.8%, up from 2.2% in 2023, contributing 7.3% to the GDP. The volume of output increased by 4.4% compared to 2.8% the previous year, despite the decline in credit to the sector. The industry remains anchored by agro-processing mainly and low-value assembly. That is why Kenya is turning to new approaches to ignite more manufacturing.
Part of what we are planning is how to create investment corridors along the rail so that as the containers offload what they have, we are also able to load some of the products back to Mombasa and for export. And that's why we have created a special economic zone in Dongo Kundu, which already is under construction.
The government wants to woo investors to do value addition in Kenya's cash crop value chains through the country's SGR in order to evacuate goods from future industrial parks.
Creating industrial spaces, and we are now looking for investors, people that we can partner to build some of these industrial parks on a build, operate and transfer. And we are talking to our Chinese friends here to say they can pick up the land in Nakuru, build an industrial park and bring Chinese investors. Then we will go to Eldoret, we can do an Italian industrial park or something like that. And that's exactly what we are trying to do.
The Kenya government did a lot of achievements and doing these achievements in Kenya here. As the Kenya Chinese Chamber of Commerce, we can see investing in Kenya bring us a lot of confidence. Today, Shenzhen City, they come here for this forum, also can give us chance to learn from each other.
They were speaking at the Kenya-China Economic and Trade Exchange Conference, where Kenya was making a case for its industrialization potential.
He
find a lot of business opportunities in Kenya, and especially for logistics and port, even for finance, high-end manufacturing, and even for the financial services. And he thinks he can invest around up to $1.5 billion.
Kenya has also been encouraging investors to invest in the country's agricultural value chain, including agro-processing, especially in tea, coffee, avocado and flowers. Kenya is looking to emulate great techno-cities like Shenzhen. Imagine growing from a 7% contribution to GDP to 20% of manufacturing to GDP. Alanauko, Prime Edition.